Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook pixel not tracking conversions on your Shopify store. If your purchases, add to cart events, or other conversions aren't showing up in Meta Events Manager, it can make it difficult to measure your advertising performance. Fortunately, there are a few simple checks you can perform to get your tracking working properly. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel if you're using Shopify's official integration. Make sure your Meta account, Business Manager, Facebook page, and Pixel are all connected correctly. If you notice any connection issues, reconnect your Meta account and save the changes. Next, open Meta Events Manager and select your pixel. Click Test Events, then visit your Shopify store in another browser tab. Browse a few pages, view a product, add an item to the cart, and begin checkout if possible. Return to the Test Events page to verify that these events are being received in real time. If no events appear, check that your pixel is the one connected to your Shopify store. Many businesses accidentally connect the wrong pixel, especially if they manage multiple websites or advertising accounts. Another common issue is duplicate or conflicting tracking. If you've manually installed the Facebook pixel in your Shopify theme while also using Shopify's Facebook and Instagram integration, remove the manual installation. Running two tracking methods at the same time can create duplicate events or prevent accurate conversion reporting. You should also review any cookie consent or privacy apps installed on your store. Some privacy settings may prevent tracking until visitors accept the cookie banner. Test your website after accepting the cookie banner to confirm whether events are being recorded correctly. Next, make sure your browser isn't blocking tracking requests. Disable ad blockers while testing, or use an incognito window with extensions turned off. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Facebook pixel events during testing. If you're using Meta Pixel together with the Conversions API through Shopify, keep both enabled if they're configured correctly. The Conversions API helps improve tracking reliability by sending events directly from Shopify's servers, reducing the impact of browser restrictions and ad blockers. After making any changes, return to Meta Events Manager and run another test events session. Confirm that important events such as page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase are appearing without duplicate warnings. Remember that standard reporting inside Meta Ads Manager may not update instantly. While test events appear in real time, conversion reports can sometimes take several hours before all data is processed and displayed. Finally, keep your Shopify integrations updated and avoid installing multiple tracking apps that perform the same function. Using Shopify's official Facebook and Instagram integration is usually the simplest and most reliable way to maintain accurate conversion tracking. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.